There will not be a new trial for Brandon Warren. He is one of two Perry men convicted of killing high school classmate Sam Poss 5 years ago. Poss went missing in October of 2016. Investigators found his body a few days later buried in the woods outside of Perry. A Houston County judge rejected Warren's request for a new trial last week. Brianna Richardson spoke to Sam Poss's mom. Brianna joins us live in Perry to tell us what Nicole Poss had to say.
Yeah, here at Houston County Superior Court, Judge Edward Lukemire denied Brandon Warren's request for a new trial on Friday. Now, Warren's new attorney argued that his previous lawyer didn't represent him effectively during trial in 2018. Brandon Warren and Dakota White were both sentenced to life in prison without parole for the murder of Sam Poss. In May, Warren and his new attorney requested a new trial, but on Friday, Judge Edward Lukemire said no.
The first thing I'll say is I'm so happy that the judge declined his motion for a new trial. I hoped that would happen, and it did, so I'm so incredibly happy and grateful for that.
But Nicole says she wasn't notified about Friday's court date. She says she wanted to attend because she needs closure.
Just to see him again was important to me. So I'm feeling kind of like I haven't gotten my closure that I needed from that particular hearing. No one can bring that back. I can't get back in there. So I'm going to have to figure out a different way to do it. Every time one of these court dates come up, it is heartbreaking.
Acting District Attorney William Kendall says his office staffing problems played a part in that, but there's still no excuse. He called Nicole on Monday to explain.
When I looked at this particular case, when I found out the victim wasn't notified, it showed me that the last victim advocate that was actually assigned the case is no longer here. The attorney that originally tried the case is no longer here. And of course, in our tracking system, it shows, the case was closed, that we got a conviction out of it through a jury verdict. And so it's not something that shows pending.
And Kendall says he offered to order the court transcripts for Nicole. Nicole says she was frustrated but accepts the apology. She says the memories of her son will live on.
He was such a sweetheart. He was an amazing son. I miss him so, so much. And he made everybody smile. He was a jokester. He was a good kid.
3 years ago, Houston County juries convicted Brandon Warren and Dakota White of killing Sam Poss and burying his body in woods outside of Perry. Both men remain in prison, serving life without parole. Live in Perry, Brianna Richardson, 13W MAZ News.
Thank you, Brianna. Acting DA Kendall says Brandon Warren could appeal last Friday's decision to the State Court of Appeals.